So I'm making cookies today. Yeah, that's it. That was like the whole video. Like, I'm making cookies by. I'm gonna be making oatmeal cookies with chocolate chips and walnuts. Oh, cinnamon, yes. So, let's make some cookies. So I've got all my ingredients here. So it wants me to do 2 cups of butter, right? Or 1 cup. No, 1 cup of butter. So that's 2 sticks. Hopefully it's soft enough. I left it out for a couple hours. There's the oven, but we're not ready for her. I'm already making a mess, so that's great. Here's some brown sugar. I need 1/2 cup more of that. Wants me to add 1 egg at a time. Wow, this sucks. This is like the worst vlog ever. Let's add the 2nd egg. If I can get it open. There we go. Beat that shit. 2 teaspoons. Where are you at, teaspoon? Okay. I'm gonna stir in my vanilla. 1, 2. I'm like not good at vlogging and cooking at the same time, so I'm gonna stir in my vanilla. I don't know why I put a weird accent on that. That was strange. Okay, 1/4 in a cup. Let's mix that in. Probably should have just like added it slowly. That's probably like the smart thing to do. Man, my arms and my shoulders really hurt. Like stirring this right now really is not enjoyable. My shoulders shoulders really hurt right now. I wish I had someone else to just do this for me. Mix in the oats, walnuts, and chocolate chips. Someone else always just like eat some chocolate chips while they're baking. I'm still here, baking. About to add some chocolate chips. Just snacking on chocolate chips. I got one. Not doing well. Stir these in. Oh my gosh, I hope these are so good. Drop the chocolate chip, have to eat it. Yeah, I don't really know how they're supposed to be. Wow, I'm gonna get so much hate. She doesn't know how to bake. She's not gonna chop walnuts. Well, bitch, I'm not chopping walnuts a lot. There's some chopped walnuts. Let's move over here now. Let's put these in. I made these little baby ones, and then I made these like fat as fuck ones. So here's round 1 going in the oven for 12 minutes. So I followed the recipe. What's happening here? I followed the recipe and then I made them, and they came out really flat and crumbled. So I tried to alter it a little bit, like add more oats or more flour or like more baking soda, and they kind of got better. But even if I let them sit for a few minutes and then tried to take them off the baking sheet, they just broke apart. So I don't know what happened. So I decided, since it's like oats and stuff, I was just gonna like just crumble them, basically how they were already crumbling, and just make like granola for her. Put in this little jar, you know, added a little bow. I mean, I tasted it, like it's good, it's just not a cookie. But I'm kind of sad because I wanted to make her cookies, but this also works good because it's still delicious and this just gonna travel nicer with me because I'm taking it to Vegas. So kind of a fail, but kind of a win. So I don't know, but that's what happened.